Hi everyone, I am thrilled and very excited to announce that Reveal is a trusted app partner and listed on the Xero marketplace. You asked for it, the market has been asking for it. We've had so many customers and former customers asking us to integrate Reveal with Xero. Here we are, it's launched, it's live, and I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how to get set up for a free 14-day trial.
Here we are logged into the front end of Xero. It's a simple case of clicking on the dots in the top right hand corner, going down to the link to the Xero App Store, searching in Reveal, clicking on the link, takes you through to our app listing on the Xero Marketplace. And to start your free 14-day trial, click Get This App. That authorizes with the Reveal side of things, hit Allow Access, and you'll be up and running in a matter of minutes.